Hello everybody and welcome to a Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Tressa. In today's video I would like to talk about 10 ideas, of what you can make with air dry clay or cold porcelain clay. Because people are always asking, what can I make with clay? People are lost on it for ideas. So I'm going to give you 10 ideas in this video, and then I'll continue with the next couple videos. So number one is animals, any kind of an animal. You can make dogs and cats and elephants and bears and pigs and monkeys and turtles and cows, whatever you can think of, you can make. So that's number one. Number two, you can make beads with air dry clay. You can make two beads, round beads, flat beads, etc. Air dry clay and cold porcelain clay does not work well with cane beads. It's a tough one to work. I have not figured that one out yet. So, number three, you can make any kind of a bird, like a chicken or an owl or a penguin or a bluebird or redbird, cardinals. So, that's an idea. Four is you can make ladybugs and butterflies and insects and lizards. So, number five is you can make boxes of any kind, like hearts shapes and square shapes and round shapes and any kind of a box with, sometimes people like boxes with lids. So, that's an idea. Number six is cake toppers for weddings and cake toppers for birthdays. People are always looking for number one birthday, for the first birthdays and second birthdays. So, think about cake toppers. Number seven, you can make cell phone accessories. Number eight, you can make Christmas ornaments, like elves and, Christmas balls and Christmas tree ornaments. Nine, you can make charms, charms for your bracelets and charms for your cell phones and charms for your zippers and etc. And 10, you can make candle holders, as long as you've got, something on the bottom that it won't allow the flame to touch the clay, or be anywhere near the clay. So those are 10 ideas, for this video. And in the next video, I'm going to give you a couple more. So stay tuned and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more videos like this one. Give me a thumbs up because I like to be liked. Bye.